Hey everyone, welcome back to another creative episode of Dream Finder. Today, I've made something really cool and useful for all of you who love gardening. As gardeners, we often need a simple but important tool, called a garden hand fork with handle. But this one can also be used as a dust cleaner tool. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this handy tool using some old, recycled materials, which can help you dig soil in your garden or even clean up dry leaves and dust from the ground. Let's jump right into the video. Don't skip, watch it till the end, I promise you'll love it. I used some old parts to make this tool, like bent iron rods, a broken scissor handle, and a used tiles cutter blade. I collected all of them from an old hardware shop. First, I welded the scissor handle to the blade. Then, I started welding the rods one by one. I began with the middle curved rod to get a balanced and good-looking structure. Then I adjusted the position and welded the remaining rods in place. Next, I added a rod in the center to give the tool more strength and balance. And that's it, the welding work is mostly done now. The tool is already starting to look great. Now I'm using sandpaper to clean off the rough and dirty parts. I trimmed off the extra portion of the middle rod. Then I sharpened the ends of the curved rods, so that they can easily go into the soil when digging. After that, I painted the entire tool using spray paint, which helps prevent rust and also gives it a really cool look. Just look at it now, it looks awesome after the paint. Let me know in the comments, how do you like it? Now, let's take it out into the garden and see how it works. Wow! It works perfectly. Great for digging soil and cleaning up leaves, it's a very handy little tool. I hope you enjoyed this simple but effective project. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you'd like me to make more useful tools like this. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Finder. And of course, tap the bell icon, so you never miss our next creative idea. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.